Hey, welcome back, everybody. You guys thought I was done with T-Mobile? No, man. I got something else coming for you guys tomorrow, too. Stay tuned. This video's about to start now. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Right now, thanks to Brian, I ended up getting the address to the T-Mobile legal department. So guess what I'm doing today, guys? We are going to send them a special package we got verification that this is exactly what he ended up getting from T-Mobile when he was sitting here having issues this year. I'm glad that we already have that situation on the way for you. 5G is a new and exciting thing and provides a supplemental coverage, not necessarily better coverage than what you were already receiving. Using LTE is going to be your best connection. Is there something happening with your LTE connection that is not making you want to use it? That basically is what he got. And thank you again, bro, for putting this out. So we're gonna send them a special present too, because he did a little thing for me and he got me their address for the legal department. So we're gonna send them a little present, and it's called right here. It's called Dicks by Mail. This is the homie. The homie he owns his page. He's a CEO and founder, and I always remember that you can send this. He always brings it up, so I'm gonna send them Dicks by Mail. So let me select the order here real quick for you guys. We're gonna send them anonymously package right there. So let's see. Let's add the confetti. Let's add the glitter to the package. So we're gonna do glitter. And then we are going to add the bonus pranks, which is we're gonna actually, you know what? Let's add the birthday eat a bag of dicks card. So there you go. We're gonna do that. And oh man, sorry about that, guys. Let's see if this goes back to where I was, man. Nope. So I'm gonna have to go back here on the website real quick. Dang Androids, I swear. That's why I hate Android. Okay, so let's add the glitter package, and then we're gonna add the card. Okay, so there you guys go. Then we're gonna hit add to cart. Alright, so we got your cart. And then I'm gonna go back because I need to add something else. You go to menu, and then you go to shop dicks. So this is all the products that we have. I think I'm gonna send them a Blossom box, but I'm going for eat a dick, the chocolate dick. So that's what we're gonna send them. Okay, so boom. Choose your dick. Chocolate dick, Blossom box, white dick, or the Valentine's Day. We're gonna do the chocolate. Okay, then we do that. Then we're gonna do add to cart. Okay, so now we have all this, and now we are going to check out. Now it's asking for this stuff, so I'm gonna punch this in right here, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back, and guess what? Our order has been confirmed. So we have officially made our purchase to T-Mobile. As you can see right here, T-Mobile Wireless Legal Department, 12920 South East 38th Street, Bellevue, Washington. So yeah, so I will keep you guys updated on when they will get their package on Dick's by mail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Please remember to hit the thumbs like up button if you liked it. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. That's fine. You're helping me get on the algorithm better anyways. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Remember the 500 sub iPhone giveaway for the XS Max is coming by soon. We're about, I think, about 225 subscribers away. And also the link to my Twitter handle will be in the description down below, and any small and occasional monetary donations to the channel, my PayPal link will be in the description below, will be gladly appreciated and will be used only for the channel. Thank you guys, I appreciate everything, and I'll see you on the next one.